Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off shield mode on Twitch. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Twitch has introduced shield mode to protect its user from hate rates that have been forming on the platform. Shield mode allows streamers and moderators to implement safety settings during their stream to prevent harassment from viewers. You can configure this setting to be as strong as you like, as well as ensure only certain people can comment on your stream. On my previous video, I've shown you how to turn on this shield mode on your Twitch. But now, maybe for some reason you want to turn this off. How to do it? It's very simple. You can open your Twitch, of course, first. Now you can go to your profile on the bottom right here. You can go to Stream Manager, choose on Stream Manager. Now you can go to Quick Action. You can slide this like this until you find Quick Action. From Quick Action, you can go to this red icon in here. You can just choose on that. Deactivate shield mode. Your chat setting will return to their normal state. Any banned terms added in the shield mode will be removed. Update auto mode banned terms list as needed. So now you can just choose on turn off. So the shield mode on your Twitch stream has been disabled. It's very simple, right? And if you want to turn this on again, you can just do the same thing. You can go to the stream manager, quick action. You can go to stream manager. After that, you can just slide to the quick action and choose this one. Now turn on. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off shield mode on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.